Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with a very beautiful English story that is The Generous Tree. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. So without wasting our time, let's get started. In a quiet village, there stood a grand old tree in the middle of the village square. This tree was special. Its branches stretched wide, providing shade during the hot summer days. And in the autumn, its golden leaves filled the air with beauty. The villagers loved the tree and often gathered around it for picnics, celebrations, and stories. But there was one person who loved the tree more than anyone else. A young boy named Leo. Leo would visit the tree every day after school, sitting under its shade and talking to it like it was his best friend. He would climb its strong branches and swing from its leaves, feeling safe and happy. The tree always listened to him quietly, its leaves rustling softly in the breeze as if it understood his every word. One summer, a terrible drought came to the village. The rivers dried up, the fields became barren, and the villagers were worried. Without water, the crops withered, and the villagers did not have enough to eat. Leo was deeply troubled. He did not know how to help his family or the other villagers. One afternoon, he sat under the old tree, feeling sad and lost. What can I do? He asked the tree, his voice filled with sorrow. I wish I could make it rain or bring back the water. The tree's branches seemed to sway gently, as if it was thinking. Finally, it spoke in a deep, wise voice. Leo, you have always been kind to me. Now it's my turn to help you. The tree shook its branches, and slowly large, juicy apples began to fall. The apples were not just any apples, each one was bursting with sweetness and filled with nutrients. So Leo watched in awe as the tree kept giving more and more fruit. Take these apples to the village, the tree said. They will help feed everyone. Leo hurried to the village with a basket full of apples. He shared them with the villagers, and they were amazed by how delicious and nourishing the apples were. The villagers were so grateful and they began to feel hope again. With the tree's gift, they could survive the drought a little longer and stay strong. As the weeks passed, Leo continued to bring apples from the tree to the village. His family, the other villagers, and even the animals in the area had enough to eat. The tree gave more and more fruit, its branches heavy with love and generosity. One day, as a drought began to ease and the first rain in months began to fall, Leo returned to the tree. Thank you, he whispered, for everything. The tree responded, I gave what I could because I knew you would care for others as I care for you. That's the true gift of kindness. When you give from your heart, it helps not just one, but everyone. Now, there is a moral of the story. True generosity comes from the heart. When we share what we have, no matter how small, it can make a big difference in the lives of others. I hope this story is very helpful for you in improving your English language. Okay, and there is a very beautiful story here. Okay, so true generosity comes from the heart. You give little, also, whatever you have, you give little. Those who are in need, it is a very big gift for them. So we should help each other. Okay, so if you have liked this video, please try to subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. And I also have made different stories. You can also view them as well. Thank you.